Hello everyone, this is Duran, and here you can see now I'm at the Aeon Lasers factory. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the autofocus sensor on MIRA S series. So now let's check it out. The MIRA S series machines come with two types of laser heads, and the procedures are slightly different. Here, we will first use the MIRA 9S as an example. Start by using a screwdriver to remove the 4 screws here. Then disconnect the wiring terminal on top, and the entire autofocus sensor can be removed. Our after-sales team will provide you with a new sensor. To install the new sensor, simply follow the same steps in reverse. This is the first type of laser head used in the MIRA S series. Now let's look at the upgraded version of the laser head, which looks like this. For this version, you only need to remove these 2 screws, and the autofocus sensor will come off. Our after-sales team will provide you with a new sensor. Simple, right? Alright, that's all for today. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me through this way. This is Duran from Aeon Laser. So see you then. Bye bye.